Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can add variations to your Etsy listing on your Etsy shop. It's quite easy and simple, so let me show how. First of all, log into your account on Etsy, and then you need to go to Shop Manager here. And once you do that, then you need to go to Listings here, and then select the listing that you want to add a variation. So for example, this one. And then you need to scroll down until you see, as you can see here, variations, and you can add available options like color or size. So press add variation. So for example, for this t-shirt, let's select that we have some multiple sizes. So let's select size, and then new menu pops up here, and you can choose scale. So for example, US letter, it's the only option, and you can add a sizes here. And also you can there's three options here, and it's the first one says prices vary for each size. So if you want to make different prices for example, bigger price for a larger t-shirt, you can definitely do that. And also quantities vary for each size and more, right? And you can add multiple variation, for example, primary color and more, right? So, and after you done with your variations, you just need to press continue here, right? And that's pretty much it, what you need to do here if you want to add a variation on Etsy listing. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.